Just hit a rainstorm, and this guy game is so dirty. Oh, you are super dirty. I mean wet. Sit down, mate. Well, what happens if I just every time that you fly? Wait, how to? It's hard to see because wait, how to? I think I can turn on flash. Yeah, bet. You look so cute. You look unrecognizable. Oh, what's happening with you, Tiger? Do you not like the light? I thought that you would like the light. Oh, hell no. How are you not wet, but he's wet? Come here. You're not wet, but he's wet. Too much of jumping. Too much in the pedal, eh? No, it's definitely fine, and you're not gonna die, I think. Yeah, I'll just turn off flash, and oh, so you are scared of the flash, okay? Oh yeah, he's literally scared of the flash. We'll leave it on because it's better content, and it also looks like Quell, oh no, Quell, there, that's for you. Oh, you finished that. You gobbled that. So he looks so like majestic right now. Aren't you? So, and are you scared of the flash? No, why not? So how's happening? Hold on. I'm trying to fix the camera. Okay. It kind of looks like one of those National Geographic things where we're like they always put in the flashlights and then like they make them look creepy, like spooky. Oh damn! Whoa! That was impressive. Like. How do you get that voice that deep, bro? There you go. Yum. Yeah. Because it seems like that is night right now. Because if I turn off the flash, it doesn't really do anything. But I promise you, it's very dark, and it's literally 7:36. But this phone can't focus well in the night. What happens if I just put you here? Can you just, hey, okay, can you just come here? Come? Oh, it's because you have blah, blah. Go. Go, cute. Are you cute? He looks so much better in real life than on the camera. Don't you? Okay, I'm just turn off the flash for a bit. Sorry. I think this guy now knows. But if he makes a sound, he will get a treat. Dude, can you make a sound? Can you? Okay, I can't really waste anything because I have like a new menu on him. Yeah, chill. But do you like the flash? Do you like it? Yeah. Okay, now is Where's Janice? We're on it. Where is he gonna go? Yep, I knew that he was gonna go and he's going like all the way around and then going there because the crow was there, so I can't go this way. I'm in the Raven. Do you want this? Like, I can give you this if you want it. No? Okay.
No, he's good.
Okay, yeah. So, until then, oh, and the Raven's gone too. Bye-bye, Raven. So until then, make sure to like, subscribe to all the good stuff. Tell you guys later, but until then, goodbye. It's a beautiful day in the bird in one piece. It's so, why is it red? It's red. I have never had a red. Okay, so whatever. So it kind of feels like Halloween because every single day in Halloween. Whoa. Wait. Turn that flash. Like with the flash, it seems like that is night, but it's not really night. Okay, whatever. So until then, make sure to like, subscribe, do all the good stuff. Tell you guys later, but until then, goodbye. It's a beautiful day in the Berlin Road. Red flash ending. Take care.